Hi everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, I'm in my kitchen today because I've been away for such a very long time. So today is the day where I'm going to show you how to make a keto lime cupcake. So without any further ado, let's get started and I'm going to show you how to make this very easy dessert. That's the end of this episode for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my very first keto lime cupcake, and if you did and you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm going to go now and I'll check you on the flip side. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.